Hi there. A few people have asked me about when you're doing a watercolor painting and you're using pencil. Of course, we need to use pencil to draw up our painting first. This was a very rough little painting that I did that was probably about 5 minutes after 20 years of practice. And so all I did was I just drew some really loose circle-y sort of lines for where the flowers in the vase were. This is sitting on my kitchen table, a vase of roses from the garden. And so there's a few pencil lines in there. And people ask me about, once you finish the watercolor painting, do you erase the pencil out of the painting? Well, the answer is the tradition with traditional watercolor is that you don't. You leave your beautiful light, soft pencil lines in the painting as part of the finished painting. It looks really nice. When you get up close and you have a look at the lines that the artist has made with the pencil behind the scenes actually forms part of this painting. So when you look at really beautiful, masterful watercolor paintings, have a look at them and see whether you can see the pencil lines in them, and you'll probably find that it's actually really delicious to see those pencil lines in there, and that's the traditional way that watercolor artists do it. So that's your very fast tip of the day. Don't forget to join me over on zenandtheartofart.com. zenartart.com, where I've got online learnings, classes, mini courses, and lots of free stuff as well. Thanks for watching.